Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. And I bought the CVS haul for this week, January 24th till January 30th. It was amazing and like really good deals. If one was going on overage and other was means not overage like Moneymaker, then other was using of that one. So that makes it a great haul of this week. Let's go to deals one by one. So Eucerin again this week is spend 20 get $10 extra bucks. So this time I bought one skin calming and other one daily protection. Skin calming was same $9.79 at my store and daily protection was $11.49. I used two coupons of $3.50 from Eucerin.com and $4 of 20 lotion CRT. I rolled off $10.28, got back $10 extra bucks for both of them, and I believe I will get $2, but I like for just safer side I wrote $1 and making it 72-cent Moneymaker. Let's go to next. Revlon this week is spend 15 get $5 extra bucks, and last week we got $5 in what do you call that red box machine, and I had a 5 of 20. So let me show you the scenario. So Revlon I bought one foundation for $11.49 and one concealer for $10.49. I had $5 of Revlon from last week Redbox machine and $5 of 20 Revlon CRT. I used two coupons of Revlon face from coupons.com. That reduces my total to $3.98. I got back $5 for Revlon plus $2 for Beauty Bucks. This counts toward beauty as well, so I will get back $2 for beauty, making it $3 Moneymaker. If you have those CRTs, don't forget to combine and do this deal. Let's go to next. So Colgate Max is $3.49, and when you buy two, you will get back $5 extra bucks. So I know this is a like most famous deal of this week because this is $5 Moneymaker. So but this make like $9 Moneymaker for me. Let me tell you how. So I bought these four. That brought my total to $13.96. Then I used 5 of 2 from last week insert and 3 of 12. That makes my total to $5.96. Then I used 4 coupons of $1 that expired last week. That worked on them. All of them. That reduces total to $1.96. You can get that coupon from coupons.com as well if you have printed last to last week. That is working on these. So that gave me back $10 back, making it $8 Moneymaker. So I will definitely suggest you do this deal if you have those coupons. Don't forget to combine them. Let's go to next. So these are two different deals, but I did on same transaction, so I'm putting them together. Clean and Clear is buy one get one 40% off, and when you buy two, you will get back $3 extra bucks. So I did buy two because I had a $3 off Clean and Clear CRT. I used that on this one, and making so total before anything at all. I don't have any coupon or anything. I just have that $3 CRT, and one of them is $3.49. The other one was 40% off, making $5 around. And I used that CRT, making 75-cent Moneymaker for both of them. So Gillette, this was huge Moneymaker actually because of the CRTs that I got today. So I got $6 of 2 Venus CRT. I got $3 of 10 Gillette Razor CRT. I have $3 of 10 Venus CRT. I have $3 of 10 Venus CRT. So, but I used only 2 of them, actually 3 of them. So these razors are $9.99 and they're part of the deal buy 2 get $8 extra bucks. So I used $6 of 2 Razor CRT that I got, Venus Razor CRT. I used $3 of 8 Venus CRT. I used $3 of 10 Venus CRT. I used 2 coupons from the January PNG. It was expiring. It is going to expire by the end of this month. So I used that one, and that reduces my total to $198. I got back $8 extra bucks, making it $6 Moneymaker for this one. So these deals, those Moneymakers like Revlon we have, like Colgate we have, and they all are going to count toward that Centrum deal that I did, spend 30 get $10 gift card deal. I'm going to show you that one as well. Let's go to that. So Centrum is part of spend 30 get $10 extra bucks. So I purchased 2 multi gummies and 2 Centrum minis. I used $4 of coupons, 3 of them from coupons.com and 1 from the CVS app. So Centrum gummies is $9.99 at my store, and Centrum minis was $11.79 at my store. That brought my total before any coupon or before any CRTs. It's $32.70 because Centrum is buy one get one 50% off as well. So that was $32. Then I used those 3 coupons from coupons.com and 1 coupon from CVS app. Plus I had 4 of 25 vitamin CRT. So that reduces my total to nearly $20. So $12.70 I rolled off, and I got back $10 gift card. So only $2.70 for both of all 4 of them, making around 67 or 68 cent per bottle. I think that's a decent price. We had so many money makers, we can use them on this one. Let's go to next deal. So Pamper this week is $9.99 each, and when you buy 3 you will get back $10 extra bucks. So I bought these 3, and I had $3 off 2 Pampers CRT. I had $3 off 2 Pampers coupons from CVS app. I used only those 2. That reduces my total around $23 something. And then I rolled off $23, got back $10, making it $13. Submit your receipt to Ibotta. You will get $1.50 for each of them, making it $8 for all 3 of them. I think that's a good price. We don't get that much cheaper diapers, and it's really good price. Like $8 for 3. I will definitely suggest you to do this deal. If you have better CRTs, don't forget to combine them. That will reduce more as well. Let's go to next. So Alka-Seltzer actually is having a deal on these 3 travel size packs. If you buy 3, you will get back $1 extra bucks, and they are of $1. So, but I did the first deal and this one as well because I had a $3 off Alka-Seltzer plus $1 off 3 Alka-Seltzer coupon as well. So I combined both of them. That reduces my total to like $1.19 for above one. And I did CVS Health Deep Cleansing Extra Floating Scrub because it was $6.49 at my store, and I had 2 CRTs of $3 each. That reduces my total to 49 cents only. So I rolled off some extra bucks on these things like Centrum, Pampers, and these Alka-Seltzer and Scrub. And there is one more deal that I'm going to show you on which I used some of the CRTs, that really awesome CRTs. Let's go to that one. So Live Better is buy one get one free, and Biotin was $11.79 at my store, and D3 was $9.79. I had 2 CRTs of $3 vitamin B. I had 2 CRTs of $3 Live Better melatonin. I had 1 CRT of $3 Live Better vitamin D. I had 1 CRT of $6 of $20. All of them came off. It works perfectly fine, and that reduces my total to only 58 cents that I paid out of pocket. I think 58 cents for these 4 vitamins, and they are not even expiring this year. Yeah, I can definitely use it. Like, this year started with all the vitamin deals. That is so awesome. So I think thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. I hope this can help you in saving more. And if you have any other situation or any other CRT that you want to discuss, you can definitely let me know in comments. I can definitely help you out. Have fun. Happy holiday. Happy Sunday. I think now school has been started already, so you should be like working on school and stuff. Let me know if you need any help. Thank you.